Welcome. Today we are going to learn about Bacopa monnieri. It is a medicinal plant. Scientific name is Bacopa monnieri. It is also known by the name of Brahmi in Hindi and Sanskrit. Let us discuss its growth habit. It is a perennial, creeping, and a succulent herb which is generally found in the following habitat. It is found in wet, marshy, and muddy areas. The leaves and the stems, that is the aerial parts of Bacopa monnieri, that is Brahmi, are mostly used parts for medicinal purposes. Bacopa monnieri is a nootropic, which means that it has a positive effect on brain. That is, it acts as a cognitive enhancer. It improves memory. It improves our learning, intellect, focus, and concentration. Bacopa monnieri is also a adaptogen, so it helps in stress management and anxiety reduction in our body. Besides being a nootropic and an adaptogen, it also cures various neurological conditions like insomnia, nervous stability, and epilepsy. In Bacopa monnieri, the bioactive phytochemical that provides its medicinal properties is bacosides, which are phytochemicals belonging to the class of terpenoids. The market demand for Bacopa monnieri is very high and increasing. It has demand both in the Indian domestic market and in the international market. Bacopa monnieri is consumed in the form of Brahmi Grit, Brahmi Vati, and Brahmi Rasayan, which is a tonic. Vati is a tablet. Grita is a formulation with ghee. As far as propagation and cultivation of Bacopa monnieri is concerned, it is propagated through stem cuttings, that is a method of vegetative propagation, and for growth it requires moist and poorly drained soil because its natural habitat belongs to wet, muddy, marshy regions. If we want to harvest the plant of Bacopa monnieri, that is Brahmi, we should keep in mind that we should always harvest it only when the crop is ready, and it becomes ready after 3 months of planting, and it is harvested during the peak growth season, which is the season just after the rains, that is September and October in India. Let us discuss toxicity of Bacopa monnieri. Unsupervised consumption and irregular consumption and consumption above the prescribed doses of Bacopa monnieri, that is Brahmi, may result in side effects. These side effects may include gastrointestinal issues. It may also lead to slowing of the heart rate, and it may also increase level of thyroid hormone. Secondly, this plant Bacopa monnieri is a phytoaccumulator, that is, if the plant is grown in contaminated soil, the various contaminants, that is the heavy metals like cadmium and lead, get accumulated in the plant. So we should be careful about the source of the plant. Bacopa monnieri, that is the Brahmi, is not prohibited or strictly banned in any part of India. Field identification of Bacopa monnieri can be done through its leaf, which are succulent, oblong, and thick, and they have a typical lemon like smell. The flowers are small and 5 petaled. Thank you.